Hello students. Today we are going to, already in the last class we have completed with the chapter morphology in flowering plants. Now in today's class let us frame some questions, 1 mark, 2 mark and 5 mark, 3 marks as well as 5 marks questions. Okay, after that if possible we will start with the next chapter also. Morphology we have completed, next we can start with the anatomy. Okay, so first let us see the question, theoretically some questions. Theory questions. First 1 mark questions. Let us discuss 1 mark question. Which part of aphantasia is modified? Modified to form spines. The first question. Next, name our plant. Name our plant in which leaf. Name our plant in which leaf is pinnately compound. Okay. So examples. First question, which part of the aphantasia is modified to form spines? Spines means answer will be leaves. Leaves are modified into spines. According to second question, name our plant in which leaf is showing pinnate leaf. Which is showing pinnate leaf? That is example neem you can give. Example neem, rose. Okay, and acacia are examples, answers. Next, third question. In adventitious, in mangrove, nematophores are modified adventitious roots. How are these roots? How do the in mangoes, modified adventitious roots. Adventitious roots, example, answer will be pneumatophores. Pneumatophores in mangoes helps in what? How do they help? They help in respiration. Answer. Pneumatophores are present here. Pneumatophores are present for what? They are helpful for respiration. Answer is respiration. All these underlined, they are the answers. Next, four. One more question. Fourth one. Next, which part of mango fruit is edible? Which part of mango fruit is edible, whether it is epicarp, mesocarp or endocarp? The question, which part in mango we are going to eat, they are asking. Okay, so answer for this will be mesocarp. Answer, which part we are eating in the mango? Not epicarp, that is mesocarp, the soft pulp we are eating, that is mesocarp. Next, fifth one. Why do various plants have different types of phytotaxy? Why do various plants have phyllotaxy? So why do various plants have different type of phyllotaxy? For exposure of leaves and to get sunlight. Okay, phyllotaxy, answer exposure of leaves and to get light. This is the answer. Next, sixth question. State the main function of leaf tendril. State the main function of root tendril. Climbing. Yes, the answer for this function of these tendrils is what? That is climbing. Next question. Which plant family represent the following floral formula? Which plant represent following floral formula? I am going to write one formula. You have to tell the plant it is representing. Showing actinomorphic, bisexual, P. perianth, that is perianth is showing where, in which family? Answer Liliaceae. We can see this perianth Liliaceae. Always remember, if you are getting perianth, then the answer will be it belongs to the family Liliaceae. Answer is Liliaceae. Okay, next. Next question. Which type of venation do you observe in dicot leaf? Eighth question. Which type of leaf, type of venation is seen in dicot leaf? What type of venations we are seeing here? So that is reticulate venation. Answer, reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Answer. What is the name given to the cotyledon in case of monocot? What is the name given to cotyledon in case of monocot? Answer, scutellum. If you draw the diagram of monocot, the cotyledons, usually we will call it as scutellum. Okay, scutellum. Next question. Name one monocot and one dicot in which endosperm is present. Name one monocot, one dicot in which endosperm is present. Example, if we take in monocot, answer maize we can take. Maize is one example. Dicot, castor oil seed. Answer, castor oil seed. Why are, these are answers, okay? One monochrome, one dicot, that is one example we have to make them castor oil seed. Okay? Next. Why are date palm referred as? Why are date palm referred as? Why are date palm referred as dioecious? Dioecious. Remember, dioecious means any plants having same only one gamete. Okay, dioecious. Here what happened? The thing is like pinus, or it may be coconut, or it may be date palm. They are called dioecious. Why they are asking? In this case, male and female flower are different plants. So answer, male and female flower born on different plants, means they are not bisexual. Okay, they are not bisexual. They are what? Dioecious. Think this is one plant having male flower. Another plant if we take having female flower. One plant having only one gamete here. Okay, only one gamete. Male flower on one palm tree and female flower on the other palm tree. Answer is what? Male and female flower born on different plants. Okay, they are dioecious, having only one flower on the plant. Understood? Next. 12th question. What is placentation? What is placentation? Arrangement of ovule inside the ovary is called the placentation. Okay, arrangement of ovules in the ovary. Next. Write the floral formula of Brassica. Write the floral formula for Brassica. So for this floral answer, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 2 plus 2, corolla 4, androecium 2 plus 4, gynoecium superior 2. And you can take it as a homework also. Brassica formula I have written here. You draw floral diagram for this. Floral diagram is your homework. You can take it as a homework or assignment. Okay, floral formula I have given. By seeing this floral formula, draw the floral diagram. Okay, that is Brassica. It is there in NCERT. The term is used Brassicaceae. Okay, Brassica. Answer for this Brassica. Answer is this one. Answer. Okay. Next. Why are flowers Why are flowers of cucumber referred as epigynous? Epigynous. Why? What is the answer here? Because ovary is inferior. Other floral parts superior. This is the answer. Okay. Epigynous. If you know this term, hypogynous, perigynous, epigynous. Epigynous is nothing but ovary will be inferior, other floral parts will be superior. Hence it is called, hence example cucumber. Cucumber they have already, it's called epigynous. In cucumber, ovary is inferior and other floral parts are superior. Next. Next question. What is false fruit? What is false fruit? False fruit. Then floral parts. False fruit. If the fruit is arised from the ovary, true fruit. If the fruit is produced other than ovary, means other floral parts are taking role in forming the fruit. Hence it is called false fruit. We have discussed in the fruit itself. Okay, if you see the fruit video, you will come to know the differences between true fruit as well as false fruit. Okay, ovary or a fruit is formed other than the ovary, then it is called as false fruit. Ovary is not playing any role in false fruit. Next question. What is the term used for plant bearing both male and female flower? What is the term? What is the term used for plant bearing both male and female flower, So think this is a flower. Okay, ovary, style, stigma are present. Both male and female are present in the same flower. Then it is called as monoecious. Or it is called bisexual. Bisexual or monoecious is nothing but both male flower, female flower are present in the same plant, same flower. So it is called bisexual or monoecious. Next one. What are runners? What are runners? What are runners? So runners are what? Creeping stem. Okay, long nodes running horizontally on the surface of the soil. Okay, in runners we will come to know the definitions also. Then next we will go to the next question. Why are flowers of mustard referred as hypogynous? Why are mustard referred as hypogynous? Referred as hypogynous. According to hypogynous, ovary is superior, other floral parts are inferior. Ovary superior. All floral parts inferior. Hence, this example is mustard. Mustard is showing the hypogynous. Next question. The axil placentation. Why root system is poor in aquatic plants? Why root system is poor in aquatic plants? Because first of all, aquatic doesn't have soil. So that is also one of the reasons where because of absence of soil, the root system is poor. Okay, the root system is poor, and also absorption of water, diffusion is not complete developed here. Hence, the root system is poor. Absorption of water is not well developed, completely well developed there. Okay, so next one. Next question. Name two plants where seeds do not have endosperm. Name two plants where seeds do not have endosperm. Bean, grain, pea. We can see in bean, grain, and in pea. Where the two plants where seeds do not have endosperm. Okay, endosperm is absent in bean, gram. Next question. Which plant part has Spines of Opuntia. Spines of Opuntia. Picture of Nepenthes. Picture of Nepenthes. They are asking the modification question. Okay, spines of Opuntia are modified stem. These are answer modified stem. Opuntia is a modified stem, whereas the picture of Nepenthes is modified leaf. Modified leaf. Next 2 marks. Next, let us discuss 2 marks question. Flower is modified should justify. Flower is modified should justify. Explain why it is called as modified should. Write the differences between epigynous and hypogynous. Give reason to justify. Give reason to justify that onion bulbs are modified stem. Modified stem. Again, differences between alternate and whole phyllotaxy. Alternate and whole phyllotaxy. Next, define venation. Define venation. Define venation. What are 2 types of venation? Two types of venation. distinguish between rock root and stilt root. Rock root and stilt root. What is inflorescence? What are its two types? What is inflorescence? What are two types? Differences between true root and false roots. Next, underground part of plant are always root. Underground parts, underground parts of plant are always root. Justify. And differences between simple and compound leaf. Simple and compound leaf. Draw neat label diagram of maize seeds. Maize is nothing but monocot diagram you have to draw. Monocot. Next, 3 marks question. Three marks question. Potato is stem and sweet potato is sweet potato is root. Justify. How to explain why potato is called stem and sweet potato is called as root by morphological structure, morphologically, external features. Next, define activation. Okay, and also they are asking type of activation in they are giving some example. You have to write the answer. In China rose. Okay. Calotropis. Gulmohar. P. Answer for this China rose, twisted activation. Calotropis. Calotropis is showing continuous valvate. Okay, valvate activation. Gulmohar is showing irregular imbricate activation. P. Baxillary. These are answers, imbricate, valvate, twisted. They have given the examples. You have to write what type of activation. Okay, activation. Activation means the arrangement of calyx or corolla on the floral axis is called activation. You will get definition in your textbooks. Explain different types of phyllotaxy. Explain different types of phyllotaxy with each example. With each example. With each example. Differences between actinomorphic, zygomorphic. Then B. Syncarpous, apocarpous. Racemose and cymose. Racemose and cymose. One mark, 2 marks, 3 marks we have discussed. In the next class, some 10 5 marks questions we'll discuss, and we'll start with the new chapter in the next class. Thank you, students.